faces. And thank you for following my video tutorials, and my name is Lakshmi Deepak, and follow me at www.facebook.com/ildeepak. Thank you. And today's my topic is threads and synchronization. In what is a thread? Thread is a task where we have to perform like operating systems. When we switch on to the operating system, we can run a different type of programs, games, everything. So each one task is called a thread. So, and each and everything, like while we are playing a GTA Vice City, we need some synchronization with what? That means hardware devices like graphic card. If the more graphic reliable, we can perform more actions. So we need synchronization. So what is the synchronization here? The taking over reliability things of a threads is called synchronization. So actually in a web services and in projects, we need synchronization with a hardware device. Actually, what is a hardware device? A hardware device which consists of internal memory which stores its functions. So we need to perform the synchronization with each performing action is called, the action in the software is called a thread. The synchronization of threads is of different types. Process the thread, that means how the processing, each and every. On most computer systems, simple programs are run by process. Simple programs you may know, right? Notepad, each and everything is a simple program which you run by a process. And a processor runs in its own memory. A processor runs in its, or remember the point, a processor runs in its own memory. So how space consists of data is like pen drive. How you are inserting, it shows it's a physical memory like 8 GB, which is the details. This one stores in an internal memory. And another thing, a thread executes instructions in the path where it is located. What is the path? The file where it is located in the installation system on a Windows platform or in a Mac OS, anything it may be. The platform what we are using. What is the platform? The ABU layer of a OS level is called a platform. How the platform, the reliability to call the function which is already installed in your system is called a thread. The calling of thread is called synchronization. What is synchronization? Getting the location of a file is called a synchronization. So this is what. And threads in Java. What is a Java? Java has several classes that enables threads to be created. Java is independent which can create multiple threads according to your reason. Developer can create at any cost. Right? He can rule the world by using a Java threads. Simply, while uploading your videos, we need some required capabilities. So, user can define its own thread, how the video have to upload, how the program can be run. This is called the things where we can perform in Java. Okay, let it be. The thread can classes into runnable interface and adds methods to the image. What is a runnable? The thread sprayer interrupt the thread, temporarily suspends the thread, and so on. The java.lang is a class function where you can call all the objects in the Java programming. And creating a thread, how to create a thread in the Java? There are two ways to create a new thread in a Java. How? A class is a subclass. A class can be a subclass. Thread class override the run. So we can create one method, and the runnable objects are runoff method, and subclasses in the thread classes, the class traffic extension, and calling the base class to their interface class, and we can create objects for a private class. So this is all called thread creation. Life cycle of thread is the best concept. When we create a thread, you have to run in a compilation running time, and you have to get back to the thread, and you have to set runnable. Runnable means where the memory is allocating to the created objects in the class members. What is a class member? What is an object? Object is nothing but instance of a class. What is an instance? Instance is nothing but creating. Consider there is a class which have 20 members in the family, 20 execution process which can be allocated memory. Where object is a function which creates a memory to a class members in a runtime. It's called memory allocation. The memory allocation can be possible by using only objects in Java because Java is an object-oriented language. So because of that, we can do a object instance. Instance means when we execute a program in the compilation step, it creates how much memory it is required. Maybe it is a stack and heap. To be frank, there is no heap and stack memory in practically. We are assuming that it is a heap and stack due to our requirement. So, and I hope descriptive methods, descriptive, and I will get back to descriptive methods on the next day by tomorrow. What you're looking for? I'm not dealing anything now. Thank you. Bye-bye. And follow me at facebook.com/ildeepak. Thank you very much.